Hi guys, it's Isaiah. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean these coffee canisters, okay? Jaden's not a part of this. So this is full. So what you gotta do is take out this thing, put it to the side, and you're gonna dump the coffee. Be careful. It could splash back and get coffee on you. You don't want that, because those stains suck. Ignore that sound in the background. It happens sometimes. Alright, so once you've emptied 2 of these, they're just gonna, you're gonna get this powder. It's below the sink. Let's show where it is. It's right, that's just not even in frame right there. It's this right here. It says Urinex Cafiza. Urinex Cafiza. All right. So then you're gonna get some powder here. We're gonna pour some in there. Look at the powder in here. Can I get the quick shot? Okay. That's, the powder. Okay. No filter, no coffee filter. Oh, now you just gotta put this in. And make sure you do it for both of them. Okay. Okay, do the same for the other one. And then since these are the smaller containers, make sure they're on the half one. The half moon thing. Let's show the half. Okay. This one right there. This right there. Alright, then you're just gonna hit brew and it's gonna come out and it's gonna brew. And then you do the same for the other one. And that's all we do for the first thing. Alright, I'll see you back in a few minutes. Alright, so after you brewed the powder for all these, you're going to move these out of the way. Let's move these out of the way. Okay, excuse me, pardon. Tell all the employees to move because they're not important. This is actually important. All right, now it should have been around 10 to 15 minutes, and these had to wait 10 to 15 minutes for the powder, cleaning powder, for them to clean. Okay. So after that, you gotta dump them again. So you take out the little nozzle thing, you dump them. Oh shit. It's all the way empty. You can see it right here. It's all the way empty. Yeah. Make sure you, get my phone away from me. I don't like that. But it is clean. Get the other one. You're gonna brew. It can only brew 2 at a time, so you gotta make sure you have 2 to do at a time. So we're gonna dump this one. We're gonna dump this one right now. Oh, a little bit of rebound there. All right, that's empty. So now we're going back over here. Now you're gonna brew this without any powder. You gotta make sure that these don't have any powder. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Oh, looks like there's some residue in there. That's no bueno. So we're gonna actually wash this out with some water. Oh, gonna do a little washy. Okay. It looks like I did a pretty decent job. And then you're just gonna put it back. Do the same to the other one. Actually, what I'm doing is I'm wasting time because it said heating, but now it doesn't, which is good because when it says heating, you can't do shit. Oh, sorry, I just broke the no swearing. Damn, that sucks. All right, so now that we've done that, you make sure there should be nothing in these. There's nothing in these. Okay, nothing. So then you can just do the same thing you did before, but make sure you're on the half moon for the small ones, and the black totally filled in is for the big ones, which are over there next to Jade. So then you're just gonna brew it, and then you're gonna brew this one. Oh, I missed. Okay. All right, and then that's the second step. So we'll go on to the next step in about 15 minutes. Okay. See you there. Bye. See? Yeah. All right, we're back. Let's go. Let's finish this right now. All right, so now we have brewed it twice, once with the powder, once without the powder. So now we're gonna empty it again. That's right. Okay, that's a little too close. No, they don't need to see that. Okay, dumping that out.
Bye.
Oh, we're dumping it. Oh, it's hot. Make sure you don't burn yourself. Don't worry, I'm already hot, so it negates.
Oh, this is horrible.
All right, make sure you do it for both of them. Yeah. So let's do the next one. I need to get over here. Excuse me, camera lady.
Let's fuck up.
Yeah, my camera lady's not that good. Sorry, guys. Had a limited budget.
Do you want me to walk away right now?
No. Please keep on doing it. All right, so the last one. What the fuck were you just? No, you're supposed
I
to
didn't
be.
do anything.
Is it on?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. So we do the same as usual and we brew it. Now this is the last time you're brewing it and you're just gonna leave it and you're not dumping anything out. Yeah. So we're gonna brew that shit. Brew. Make sure you're on the half moon. All right, and that's all. Now you've got to make sure you do it for every single one of the 5 canisters. If not, you're gonna get beat up. Cancer? You have cancer?
Did you just say the 5 canisters?
No, I have
She got me
cancer.
bad. The girl next door.
All right, let me start off. Is it done? No? Okay. All right, bye. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Any questions, make sure you email bluengo at...
What? That is not how you say my last
I
name.
don't know how to